Hi, I got the coin type R working. This is all the game that was you could go to this Disco, Discord, and then you sign up with them and you could get all this uh, add-on to the system. So I got the Neo Geo working. So if you was to go to main, you won't see the Neo Geo at all. And how I got that idea was from looking at the Game Watch, because Game Watch is also part of the arcade, but it doesn't show up over here. So there is a excluded text file that you have to add your game list. Otherwise, it will show up in here. So I have so all the Neo Geo is not in main no more. If there was, it's gone because I have removed it. So here you have 249 games. If you look at the bottom right here where my finger is, 249. So let's get out here, press B. So if you go, this is all come from this other big download. They added all this, and I went and decided to put Neo Geo in arcade. The reason I put this in arcade is because Neo Geo is part of arcade. It's not part of the, even though they did make a home console like Neo Geo X, and they also make a home console with the I think AES version, but the MBS is the arcade version. And I like this video that I found, but this video is like an hour long, but it play all the game. I think at least like close to 150 game, and it demo each game, and it also have a box art, and it's pretty cool. But if you press the A button here, I'm using the Xbox controller. You press A, and this is the, it actually work now. So you have a different bezel for each game, and it's also have a video. So you go to different one, you get a different. Now some of the artwork the background I couldn't find anything, so I used. Now I'm trying to figure out how to add the different animation that show up, like I saw in Nintendo. I don't know how they do that. So those of you who know, please let me know, because I have some cool animation I want to add to it. So you go to any of the game. Now my problem is I can't get it to show the bezel when you go into a game. So let's see if this time will work. So I got the bezel working on this mode, and that is in the folder called the bezel date and bezel underscore night. So bezel underscore date and bezel underscore night you have to include that to able to get all this to come out. And there's a setting.cfg you have to edit, so in order to find the ROM. And that was my problem, is this animation was working but the ROM doesn't work. So let's go ahead and press A and start the game. So any of the game pretty much work, but one thing I couldn't figure out is how to get the bezel put in here. And also the screen is not running as a quartz default, is running stretch screen, so it's taking up the full screen. So I need to fix that too. So I guess I need to go to retro and fix this for the bezel, plus the, because it's not seeing my bezel, and I think I put the bezel in the wrong place for this to work. So I need to figure out what I'm doing wrong, because it's defaulting the it looked more like a PlayStation bezel, default bezel, and I need to change that. So I got a little bit more to go, but yes, the game works. So I'm gonna insert a coin, so you can see it's being cut off. So I got 148 game working. I haven't put all the game in here. There are some other games that I normally put on the the Neo Geo arcade stick. So I'm planning to move majority of them here. There are some that I couldn't move over, but I'm still able to at least put 180 in here. Now you could also do select and Y. I believe you press select and Y, or maybe star and Y. Yeah, star and Y. The star button and Y. You get the cheat mode. So you could go in here and you could do soft line cheating and stuff like that. So you could add stuff to it. How do I get out? Okay. So you could have more life and stuff, but right now you can't really see a whole lot because of the screen is covered. So I need to fix that so that way I could see what I'm selecting, because right now I cannot see what I'm doing. Oh, I think I'm over here now. Go down. But okay, 1, 2, 3. I'm over here. How do you get out here? I'm gonna do star and Y again. Nope. Okay, I press X. If you press X, you get out of the screen. Okay. And here you just have to do here. You press A to get out of the cheat mode. So yes, this cheat mode does have it included in the Neo Geo. So that's pretty cool. Alright, to get out, you just press the same old way, select and star to get out. So it worked. And so I do have 148 games. If you look at the bottom here, 148. So I got the Neo Geo set working. But I just don't like the background. Some of the background I do like it because it came from CoinOps cover page, and some of them I just use the mix art and bring it over. Like this one is you could tell is a mix art, but this one does have each one does have a bezel. The one that do not have a bezel, like a homebrew game or hack version, those will have a default bezel. Okay, the Neo Geo default bezel. So each one will have a unique bezel, and I'm trying to figure it out why the retro art will not work. So stay tuned. This is just a quick update, let you guys know I finally got it working, and I'm very happy. It took me 2 days trying to figure it out. First day I got this thing working. Okay, I don't have all the picture, but this was working. But I couldn't get the and when I first time got it working, I don't have the picture changing all the time. You know, it just a Neo Geo background. And then now every one of them have a background. I think I have like 100, 200 of different cover backgrounds. So I think here, if I throw in anything in here, it will work because we have all the cover that I could find. Alright, so it's pretty cool. It's just that I can't get the screen to. I need to go to RetroArt and fix that. So once I fix that, I will release this. And so stay tuned. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. And so once I release this, you will know, to where to get it. And it's an add-on. This is all add-on game, and let's see if we could try the X, see if it work. Now all this should work. I don't have any doubt that this will not work. It will work. I just don't have the. It's 2 o'clock in the morning, so I need to go sleep. But this is a quick video. I have to work tomorrow, so I will continue this 2 days from now, because either that or I have to get up early to do this. So yeah, just insert the coin and start the game. It's just the screen is all stretched out, and then with the bezel is covering the screen. So either don't have a bezel or change the screen size, so it would be like a normal size without stretch. And then put the bezel on, you know. Okay, right now the screen is stretched. So if I go, so I can get out of the screen because the screen is stretched. But yeah, the game worked great on the PC. And this is somebody who requested. They said, "Hey Johnny, thank you for the information how to add game for this nice, cool PC game. But I can't get the Neo Geo to work at all. Can you ever get it working?" It's a tough console to put in, because it is related to main and retro art. So you don't know how to. I don't know. At first, I didn't know how to put it on without creating a problem with main, because I don't want to put it in the main. I want to have his own, his own subfolder, so you could just pick Neo Geo and you play nothing but Neo Geo. So it would be cool to put a Capcom here too, Neo Geo and Capcom, so you could go into it and pick Neo Geo and then Capcom game. Like we do with the I'm gonna die. Like we did with the Neo Geo arcade stick. Oh, I'm dead. I like to put the animation where it move around. That would be cool if I could figure out how to do that. Alright, thank you for watching. I'll see you guys later. And yeah, everything look cool. I'm loving it. Yeah, I like the solid background like this one better than have a whole bunch of yeah, those are all good background. This one is okay. I'd rather have a solid background instead of multi background. Oh, this is the default one. Oh, that's that's Neo Geo default. That's just a ROM. You cannot play that one, okay? It just happened to be there, and that's one of the default ROM folder. So if you was to actually, I don't know what happened if you was to start this. Oh, I pressed B instead. Okay, but that's the default background that move, which is kind of cool. And then that is the bio that is in there. So, alright, so we're gonna press the joystick, change to another one. Yeah, this is like the full cover, the back end that I use, which is okay. It just looks very lot of traffic instead of a solid pic. But then this will automatically go into animation anyway. Now I do have a little Neo Geo cartridge. I don't have all of them. I think I have only 138. But you could change this where it will display the cartridge. Like this one don't have the bezel, so it's using a default bezel. As you can see, I have 2 default bezel that I switched them around. This one is more of a gold, Neo Geo gold bezel, and the other one is red. And if I could find, if we went into one, there's another one is kind of red looking. Yeah, I'd rather have a solid background instead of all this. It looked too much traffic. Oh, this one I picked, but for some reason I can't see the because the screen is blocking it. Yeah, some of them I did went and look for it. Actually, most of them I went and looked for it. It's just that I those are used for like mix art, and it looked pretty cool. I got it from EMU Movie, which is pretty cool, but it's just that I just want a fun art. I don't want the whole artwork. So this is like a full cover, the front and the back of the. If you were to print it out, you could put it on the. Oh, I like this game. This is pretty. This is in the arcade when I was young. I think I was like teenager. I seen people play this and I'm like, oh wow, it's so pretty. And then I wanted to buy it, but it was so expensive. It's like $600 during that time. That's like $1,000 for a console.